Welcome, I'm Anja Träger, and today it's an honor to speak about the Rowena Morse-Preis. I won for habilitation associated work here. I did an association with the SCHUBERT group. I'm doing gene delivery with polymers. I think it's a big topic, especially since the COVID pandemic. And we are developing polymers, really defined lysis structures and as well as characterized polymers to deliver genetic material into cells. And therefore we investigated the cellular effects. So how do the polymers cross all the barriers our cells have? So like the endosome, like the membranes. And here it's a nice atmosphere and a nice environment to do the studies because we have chemists doing great polymers, good characterization, what's the basis of seeing some structure-activity relationships. And of course, biologists and pharmacists working together here. And therefore it was perfect to do this study here in Jena. So it's an honor to get this Rowena Morse-Preis this year for my work and also for all the support here in the university. Not only by Professor Schubert, but also by the whole network we have here and all this environment, a facility we can use for our science. I studied biochemistry, then going to biotechnology and having the first contacts with polymers and see how great chemistry and how great polymers can perform and can make a change in the biological applications. And therefore I decided to come here to having the knowledge of chemistry, combine it with biology and try to make an effort on that. Rowena Morse-Preis was offered from the university. It's a kind of habilitation prize. So for young scientists on the way to a professorship. So therefore it's a great honor to get it. Also others see the potential in our research. And also for my whole team, it's very nice to get it and to be supported. The prize is named after the first woman getting her PhD here in the University of Jena. I'm really happy to have Professor Schubert as my mentor because we can work with this great facility and also to have our independence. So I have my own research group financed by the BMBF Nanomedicine program and being also PI of this polytarget SFB here. Doing research with polymers and for biological application, that is why I came here and I'm very happy. The support here is very well and that I can do my individual research here and follow my scientific goals with a lot of support from the whole group, from the institute and also from the university. To be a scientist nowadays also mean that you need support from the family, what I have, and a lot of inspiration by my son. So it's really motivating me to go further and to think about gene delivery in the future because there will be some challenges also for the next generation. And it's nice to be a scientist nowadays and try to figure problems in the future and try to address it. And therefore it's really helpful and nice to have also a family background and a scientific family as well. I have motivation to do something, to change something, to invent something and to do science because chemistry and in all its application fields, it's really important to change something and to play around with possibilities. And it would be nice also to young people, young women start to go in science and become a scientist and maybe we'll change the world one day. Thank you for watching and to being interested in the research we do here. And if you are interested in further research, my group or the SCHUBERT group and all the associated research groups are doing, just follow the social media accounts.